What's going on, family? Welcome back to the channel. So today is the day that the car is going to the shop. As you guys can see, it did not sell. It is still here. So I'm about to throw the battery in it real quick since it's not at my house. I'm gonna throw this battery in and then that way we can get it on the trailer and take it to the shop up in Chicago. So it's about a 3-hour drive, 2.5-hour drive, going to Speed Incorporated up in Schaumburg, Illinois. So I hear they do really good work. They specialize in like LS and LT engines, I believe. So we're going to take it up to them and see what they say. If they say that it is going to be you know, something like cams and lifters, then again I'm going to go ahead and just get it fixed, and I may have them do some other work to it. We'll see. But if they say like it needs an engine rebuild and it's going to be like $4,000 or $5,000, it's going up for sale. All right. It'll be like not an auction style, but you know, I'm pretty much going to put it up for sale for something cheap for what people have been asking me for already. And we'll just go ahead and get rid of it and get something else. I already have in mind what I want to get next. And if I don't get it next per se, or if I don't get rid of this, I may even add it to the fleet still. Just because, you know, this car is old and I can't continue to beat up on this car the way I do. So I have to get something to replace it that I can beat up on. That may be a little bit newer that can handle it. A lot newer than that, but not brand new. All right, so let me go ahead and get this battery thrown in, and then my guy Reg is going to be here. We're going to go get the trailer from U-Haul, and then we are going to get on the road. So I'll catch you guys in a second.
Few moments later.
All right, family, so we were going to go get the trailer and bring it back to the house, but we're going to just go ahead and take the car up there so they can help us load it. I hate to drive it in the snow, but shit barely runs anyway, so fuck it. Anyway, go ahead and get this cold start. Alright, family, so got the car in the snow and in the salt. I hate to do it, but I have to. It's gonna be easier for the moment, and this could very well be a last drive depending on what they say, which is crazy, but it is what it is. You gotta do what you gotta do. The only reason I want to get rid of it though is just because I keep having problems with it, and I'm tired of putting money into it. I'm tired of it. I don't want a project anymore. I want something that I can drive and beat up on and just enjoy it. You know, even if it is stock, at least it'll be fun. You know, it's gonna be something fast, stock. You know, and you know, and if it's not stock, you know, I'll put the, well, I'm gonna buy stock and I'll put the money into it. You know, I don't mind putting money into cars, but I just want to be able to make it better, not fix it. All right, family. So we got the car on the trailer. We got Reggie here, as you guys can see. Oh, so these cars are so difficult to put on the trailer. I should have made a video on how to put a Corvette on the trailer, C5 Corvette on the trailer. I'm pretty sure it could be beneficial, but we got it all ready to go. There it is. We're on our way to Speed Incorporated. We're running like a couple minutes late. It took so long to get this on the trailer. You know, we went and got the trailer, then I went back and got it from the house, and then we got there and there's like, you need wood, so we had to go to Menards. Then we got to Menards and came back, and just a whole fiasco. So finally on the way. We're gonna be right there right when they close, so hopefully I can catch them. But yeah, we'll see. I wanted to be able to look around the shop and just see, you know, what kind of cars they had there. I'm pretty sure they're gonna have some cool projects. I know they're heavy on Corvettes, CTSVs, just, you know, Chevy LS engines, LT engines. So we won't get that opportunity, but you know, maybe we can see what they think real quick. All right. So I'll catch you guys when we get there. So we have this dumbass right here, being an idiot, trying to get over when we got this goddamn trailer instead of speeding up or slowing down. There's a car in front of us, which is right here. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Here. And he was trying to squeeze in between. Instead of speeding up and getting in front of that car, or slowing down and getting behind us, he wanted to get in between. Laughing and shit. People are so annoying. Annoying, man. What do you guys think about the Kia Stinger? There's one right there. I don't know. I like it. I like the style of them. It looks really good. I almost thought it was like I don't know what I thought it was, like an Audi or something. I don't know why I would think it's an Audi because their taillights are different now. But you guys let me know in the comments below what you think about the Stinger. The Stinger, are they all Stinger GTs or just the top model? That just says Stinger on it. I don't see the GT badge. Huh, let me know in the comments below. And we got the G-Wagon, looking good. It's not an AMG, but it still looks good though. Is it a G550 probably? Got the car off. You see, you got some Camaros, some G8s, Trans Ams or Firebirds. They got a Trailblazer SS over here. Another G8. All right, family. So we made it to Speed Incorporated right at noon. So I got here literally at like 11:57. I walked in. Nobody was in there, and then he came out of the bathroom and he was just like, "You need help?" Because he was trying to get out of there. So I've been trying to call since like 9 or 10 a.m. and I couldn't get in contact with them. They wouldn't answer. But it's the weekend, it's Saturday. I know how that goes. You know, sometimes shops are just, you know, you can drop it off, but they're not really available for answering questions and stuff. But, you know, after we took it to the back and dropped it off, super nice guy. And yeah, so the car is here. They had a few Vets and a few CTS-Vs in there. And the inside here looked pretty cool as well. I wanted to get inside and show you guys what it looked like, but being at the last minute, I didn't have time to do it. And I know that guy was in a hurry and I'm late. You know, he ain't late, I'm late. So I have to be understanding of that. I just wish he would have answered the phone. That way I could have gave him a heads up. Because if we were 4 minutes later, he'd have been gone. I appreciate you guys watching the video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, like the video, share the video. And as soon as I find out some information, I'll hit you guys back and let you know what's going on with the Z06. All right, take it easy. All right, family, we got this CTS here. If you guys ever see her out and about, you already know what it is. You already know. She about to call somebody.